Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Twitter threads. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, what we need to do here, we need to go and open our Twitter account or the Twitter app. And so once we open it over here, as you can see, we'll go to this main page of Twitter. And so what we need to do here, we need to click on the plus button over here, as you can see, to add a new tweet. And so here we have three options: go live, spaces, or photos. So we click on post, which is the blue button down here. In here we have the first tweet. So for example, we can say T1, which is tweet number one, and click on post. And so once the tweet posted, click on it, and then click on the reply button, which is on the left side. And now from here, you can add the tweet number two. And once the tweet number two added, just click on the reply button once again, and so on and so forth until you get done with your thread. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.